Subscribe now. Asus Zenfone 4 Pro smartphone was launched in August 2017. The phone comes with a 5.50-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 pixels by 1920 pixels. Qualcomm Snapdragon 835. It comes with 6 GB of RAM. The phone packs 64 GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 200 GB via a microSD card. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Asus Zenfone 4 Pro packs a 12-megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 8-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The Asus Zenfone 4 Pro runs Android 7.1.1 and is powered by a 3600 mAh non-removable battery. It measures 156.90 by 75.60 by 7.60 high-text width x thickness, and weigh 175.00 grams. The Asus Zenfone 4 Pro is a dual SIM, GSM and GSM, smartphone that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, NFC, headphones, FM, 3G and 4G. Sensors on the phone include compass magnetometer, proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor and gyroscope.